Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Fresh and Choose Kitchen, where we believe that cooking is not just about food, it's about nurturing our families, building strong bonds, and embracing the joy of sharing meals together. Now, I know I have made chapatis before, and basically, I know you have too, especially if you're from Kenya, and now it's about holiday season. So basically, you've come across chapatis. Today, we are diving into something so important, something that goes beyond food. We are making today. It's about why you, as a woman, you should know everything about what your family eats. Even in this fast paced world, even when schedules are full, prioritizing family health is a gift that keeps on giving. So let's get started with some delicious chapatis. But while I know how easy it is to make these, let's talk about how the choices we make in the kitchen can shape our family's future. In today's world, we are busier than ever between work, school runs, meetings, and life's endless to-do list. It's easy to forget about the most important thing, the health of our family. Well, our loved ones depend on us to eat healthy, to live long, to have successful days. It's not just about satisfying hunger, it's about nourishing our bodies, fueling our minds, and making sure we are setting our loved ones up for success. As women, many of us are the heartbeat of our homes. We juggle 1,000 things, but there is one thing that is always at the top of priority list: ensuring that our family eats healthy, balanced meals, knowing what goes to their meals and the nutritional value of every ingredient. It's empowering. It's about making conscious decisions, whether you're preparing the simple meals like chapati or something more elaborate. Now, I know it's not easy with everything you have going on, but making a list for your help or whoever does the shopping on your behalf, it doesn't matter how busy life gets, with a little planning and the right mindset, you can take control of your family's health without feeling overwhelmed. And trust me, I know it's not always easy, but it's worth it. If you can make the time to learn, you will find that it becomes second, if not first nature. Here is the beauty of this: when you involve your spouse, the members of your family, know what they like to eat, know what they want to eat, and know what is good for their health as well. You will make very conscious decision on every ingredient that you keep around the kitchen for when you're cooking or someone else is cooking, because they get to grab good ingredients that are valuable, that are good, because you always utilize what is on the counter, what is on the pantry. And if you made the right choices during your shopping, then that means every time you extend your hand to pick an ingredient, you're picking the right ingredient. So that's building a partnership. It's about sharing responsibility and valuing each other's roles. When you and your partner come together to make meals or decide on ingredients, it strengthens your relationship and your family unit. Don't forget, sometimes your husband or your spouse or your partner will literally blame you for the choices you make on food. And especially if you're giving them a hard time when they're trying to lose weight or when they're trying to keep up with a certain diet for themselves. But with the communication, you always end up having that strong bond built because someone is being heard and their choices are being respected. Good food is more than nourishment, it's a language of love. When you take the time to understand what goes into your family's meals, it's direction, a reflection on how much you care. The act of preparing healthy, wholesome food is an action of love. It's about ensuring you are loved, once stay healthy, happy, and energized for the busy day ahead, and your children even do better, even in schools and all that. So at the end of the day, family is about connection, and there is no better way to connect than around the table with good food. So, yes, knowing what goes into your family's meals is important. But what's even more important is the time spent together. It's the memories and the laughter and the love, and we build while enjoying those meals. And that, my friends, is priceless. Wow, if you enjoyed this video, so next up in my kitchen is a lot of good and healthy meals that if you are up for that adventure, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember that you are doing more than just preparing food. You are building a strong, healthy foundation for your home and family. Don't underestimate the power of a meal made with love. It's about health, happiness, and partnership. Wow. I do hope that this video makes you take the step to understand what is in your pantry. And if you're not cooking, what is your help picking on the pantry? Because it all ends up, it all stops with you as the woman of the house, as the queen of the house, as the person with the bigger decisions to make, no matter how a busy day you might have. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Share it. If you subscribe, it will be amazing. If you share it with your help for some tips, because I also share some recipes as I'm doing now. It is not my first time making chapati. I'm sure you've seen another more elaborate and probably with a little bit of guide, a follow along video before this one. I would love to keep you, and I hope that you get to make the decision to subscribe to my channel for tips on ingredients you must have in your kitchen and the right choices that you can make and still keep your family together. Let me see you in our next video. See you soon.